Hello my loves, it's Lulu time. Let's unbox our 2 Lulu the Piggies sent from the awesome team at Rigel Toy Store. We have the Lulu Teddy Minis Whispers of Nature series and the Lulu Food series. I think we'll start with the mini Lulus first. Alright, so in this series there are 12 options and 2 secrets, 1 special and 1 like super secret. I really want the pink one, the white one, or the black one, but honestly they're all super adorable. And then on the other side you've got the special and the secret. Now these are actually my first Lulu the Piggies, so I'm excited. The little bags are so like adorable and they've got all the little options all over them. That is super cute. Okay, let's see who we get. You guys see first. Oh my god, they feel so small and tiny. That's adorable. Okay, let's see. Oh my heart, that is so freaking cute. It's the little brown one. Okay, so this is Little Fruit from our Lulu the Piggy Teddy Whispers of Nature series. They're so freaking small and tiny. And they've got these like cute little tags there as well. I love that. They're so soft. Oh my gosh. This Little Fruits card. Adorable. We have the food series. This is a figurine, not a plush pendant. These are the options for our food series. They're all freaking adorable. There's 8 regular ones, a special and a secret. Honestly, I really want the special one or the secret because they're freaking cool and I like how they've got a little friend. You guys see first. I think that's up the right way. Open. Oh my gosh, it's the little teapot one. Oh, they're flocked too. Oh my gosh, okay. He has a little friend. Okay, I gotta build him. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, this is so freaking cool. And a little friend too. It's a little like cup of tea. It's adorable. So this is our little Lulu food series. And I love how it's flocked. It's so adorable. I love this one. And then his little friend, which makes it like 10 times cuter, and he's like flocked too, and he's in like his little tea. Okay, this is pretty damn cool. This is a card and it's like a little menu and you open it and it ticks off which one it is and it's the little tea. Rigel, I fear you may have started a new obsession. Now if you want to grab your own awesome Lulu products, check out Rigel in the description below and definitely check out my post before about Rigel because it gives you a cheeky little discount code. Now as always my loves, thanks so much for watching. Love you. Bye.